have in my hand a Photoelectric cell. It's a full industrial kit and it's available with low-cost small parcel delivery from freetv.ie. The basic idea of this is to detect a certain level of light, a certain lux level, and at that point turn on and off lights. So it's effectively acting as a switch. So there's no adjustment of the actual lux levels on it, but basically the range that we operate between in terms of switching on and off is between about 16 and 70 lux, okay? So what we'll do here, we'll just look at the component parts that come with it. Well, first of all, just to say that it comes in this outer box here. There's a user manual that's in English, gives a little bit of instruction here. And we have a cap here and some screws and plugs. They're used both for the assembly of the unit together and also for mounting it on the wall. So what we'll look at, we'll just disassemble it as much as it can be disassembled, and then we'll just look at the component parts on it. So the first thing here is that the actual base that's going to go on the wall with 2 screws and 2 plugs inside here, and we just mount this onto a unit, and we obviously want it mounted upwards. We come along then, we're just going to drop this cork circle in here, and the basic idea of that is when it's compressed it'll give a good tight seal, waterproof seal on it, okay? Next, in the base of it here will actually go what's effectively a socket here. And if we see the socket here, it lines up with what the actual light unit itself on top. So if we just line this up exactly, and we have just 3 sections on it here, so we just find the one that works and we just twist it, and now it's locked together effectively in one unit. And you just drop that in. And what we would do when we have it open like that is we would screw this on directly onto the base once we have this wired out. So we have 3 wires that'll go in there, so we wire directly on there, and again there's an extra 2 screws here that'll go directly onto it, okay? And it's just give a little indication of north here on it, so what direction it wants to be mounted in terms of to maximise the light. It's obviously designed for northern hemisphere when it's pointing out the north on it itself. So it's just very, very handy. Like, we have lights here, we'll say, around our own industrial units here, and we're working directly off a timer, but we do have a photo cell on it as well, and it's cool because what we're saying is we have a general idea, but we don't want the lights flicking on during the daytime, but we have something like this then that says, well, depending on the time of the year, you don't want to be continuously readjusting your timers. So what it's saying is, once it drops below a certain light level, the lights will come on automatically. So it's sort of a cool unit. It's very, very effective, and it's used very widely. We'll say not just on street lamps, all the rest of it, but people are using it all the time in driveways, things like that. And a unit like this, very, very good quality once you set it up correctly and do it. Afterwards, if you ever do have something that you need to replace all the rest of it, the units here on top can be bought separately, as indeed can the sockets themselves. But it's more, this is the vast majority of our sales, is right here in front of here, simply because it's a great unit, low price, and works well.